Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Jenmar Pale, 26 years old from Solano, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am single with no child. I have two siblings. My father is already deceased and my mother is working as a farmer. I am a college graduate in Bachelor of Science in Ecotourism. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, and traveling. I work as a helper here in the Philippines for 2 years, and I serve 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 child. I also work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 10 months, and I serve 5 members of the family, 1 couple and 3 children. My main duties are maintaining the cleanliness of the house, taking care of the children, ironing clothes, and helping in the kitchen. Mom and Sir, please hire me because I really need this job to provide for my family and save for my future. Thank you.